What is up, people? It is hotter than balls out. It's 97 degrees today, so I thought what better way to finish off the day than next to a 450 degree egg. So I don't know if you like corn on the cob as much as I do, but in the summertime I cannot get enough fresh, locally grown corn on the cob. And here in Ohio, I think we probably have some of the best corn on the cob. But I stumbled across this recipe for some Cambodian corn glaze, and it's supposed to be very good, even though it smells like shit. I tasted it and it tastes a lot better than it smells, but it is coconut milk, some fish sauce, sugar, white pepper, and salt. You're supposed to glaze some of the corn, throw it on the grill, roast it at 450 degrees, let that thing heat up a little bit, and then you reglaze it when it comes off. So, I like corn, I like trying things, so we're gonna try this and see if it's any good. I'm only gonna glaze a couple pieces of these corns because I don't wanna, just in case it ends up tasting like it smells, I don't want to ruin them all. So we didn't peel these very well. So I'm gonna just glaze these three up. Oh, and there's green onion, scallions chopped up in here, julienne or whatever you want to call it. They're not really, I guess, yeah, kind of scoop them on there. They don't like to be brushed. But here's what it looks like. It is just a milky coconut milk, heated up, dissolved, and that's it. These on there. Probably take about 15 minutes to cook. Just gotta keep turning them every 3 or 4 minutes. About 3 minutes. Got my new heat gloves from Kick-Ass Basket today. This is not a promo or anything, I didn't pay for them. I just had to get some other stuff from there and I didn't meet the free shipping, so I just ordered these. It says they're good up to 900 degrees, and the last couple other pair I bought from other places, I think they only said like 450 or 500, and I have burned my hands a few times on them, so I just gave these a try. Got some decent little color and char going on. So just gonna let these go. Hopefully they turn out good. All right, it's been about 8 or 10 minutes. Turn this one over. Looking good, doesn't smell bad, so that's a good sign. So for reference, a fly flew by and landed on one of the raw pieces of corn that I have over here before I covered it up. But the corn glaze that is on the corn, which I'm gonna add a little bit more while this is open, just to see what happens. It's been sitting here uncovered the whole time, and it smells so bad even the flies don't want to go near it. So I'm just gonna keep basting those. I'll tell you what, these gloves are really thick compared to any of the other ones I have. So far I like them. Let's see if that fire calmed down a little bit and give these a little turn. Oh, now we got some good color. A little more glaze on this side. In 2 or 3 minutes more and we'll be golden. Alright, hopefully I have audio on this video as well, since I am trying my mic set up a different way. We got good color on this one, good color on this one. This one, I'm gonna move over here. These ones got some really good color. They look done. So I am going to take them off. Set them over here to cool. And set this guy over here. Continue cooking for a little bit longer. Alright, so we got some popping. Color going on. That looks pretty good. Nice char. So we're gonna set these here. That took about 2 extra minutes. All right, so we move these over to the board. I'm just gonna reglaze them one last time before we try them. This may or may not be the new way. That's why you wear aprons. The new way to eat corn on the cob. So I think what I'd say this was, it's still hot, Cambodian corn on the cob. Camden and Janelle, come try corn. Oh, there's a lot of white pepper in this, and I thought it seemed like way too much, and it might be.
Way too much what?
White pepper. I mean, you can taste a lot of white pepper.
It's really hot.
It's really hot. That one just came up. It actually tastes way better than the sauce smells. Would I do this again? Probably not.
Yeah, all I can taste is
I like
bakery
it.
and egg. Charcoal.
It's very wood fiery charred.
The good grilled corn.
Yeah, it's what you want grilled corn to taste like. Is it what I want my summer sweet corn to taste like?
No.
No. You might. I'll post a recipe below So you could try this yourself. It's definitely worth a try. It's simple. It's a can of coconut milk and onion, white pepper, salt, and sugar. I mean, you could definitely take this off the cob, mix it up, lightly coat it, and take it to a party and surprise the shit out of some people with it. There's a lot of things you could do with it. It's not bad. But I'd rather just have butter with some basil in it. Well, that's it for this video. I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch me and listen to me chew on a whole ear of corn. Try it yourself. I'll post the recipe in the link. If you like the videos I've been putting out, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna get this posted out right away because I think that summertime corn, this is something that you should be trying when the corn is fresh, if you have fresh corn available to you in your area. If not, I guess you're shit out of luck.